Welcome back to S&S British Bird Diaries. Right, before I start the video off, thank you to everyone that subscribed, liked and give me amazing feedback. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers now. Who'd have thought it, eh? Happy days. Not only that, just want to ask, put the word of mouth out there. I'm after some crossbills. Not only that, a few pair of Norwich. I've already got my one man lined up for some Norwich. That's you, Ray, you know who you are. And Philip, I'll be seeing you. But if anyone could put me on the line of a crossbill breeder, I'll be more than happy. Right then, as you can see, check out the new swag. Unfortunately, they couldn't put British on there, which was a bugger. Bought by my loved one. Happy days. So you'll see me at Stafford in this. Right, on that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll show you the birds that I've bred 2023, how they're colouring up and what's happening at Essie's. As you all know, I've had a new shed, 15x10, which has been boarded and painted. I've got to phone Mr. Rands Thursday. As it is, I think I'm going Mr. Rands over the cages. You can't beat them. Right then, on that one, let's get into the birds. Right, we'll start off with a couple of canaries I've bred. There's a greenie in there as well. Starting to colour up as well, lovely. All on Caliphil red. And like I say, these are all the chicks I've bred this season. Coming up to the Goldfinch Mules, which is from the yellow variegated cinnamon. Those that have followed my journey will know. These are my chicks. Miniature Goldfinch Mules. As you can see, colouring up a treat. Alright, that's the Goldfinch Mules. Here's the linnets. Nice and steady, the way I like them. I'll be having a cock out of them to mule with. That's the linnets. Couple of canary hens, feeders, very important to have. We're breeding British mules and hybrids, you need them. Now coming over to the next tier of cages. These Goldfinch mules are off the green variegated canary. Colouring up lovely, as you can see. Thank you to everyone that smashed that thumbs up button for us. If you haven't, please smash the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe bell. Then you get a notification every time I upload a video. Right, coming up to the goldies. 3 pearlies in there. As you can see, the blaze is coming now. Coming up to 2 greeny hens. And coming up to to the top tier, which is, that's a canary cock on the floor there, and that there is a pied greenfinch mule at the back, which I will show you now the parents of it. There's the cock, pied greeny cock. It's one of my feeder hens. Coming up to the next tier, I have a red pied cock with one of my feeders. Feeder canary hens. It's starting to colour up lovely as well. Coming up to the lucky one. There he is. There's his partner. Hand reared him from 5 days old. Coming up to the top row. Few canaries. And last but least, I've left him till last. He's not Dunny the Dunnock. BBC rung. He's a little character on that one, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. I will be uploading another video in the next couple of days on the progress of my shed. But on that, please hit that thumbs up, smack that bell, boom, I'm out.